Wait! Don't put that lasagna in the oven yet. Most people make this one cheesy mistake and it ruins everything. But today, we're flipping the script with an ingredient you've probably never thought to use. Here's what we're working with: lasagna noodles, creamy ricotta, shredded mozzarella, fresh parmesan. But right here, this is the game changer. Gruyere cheese. Nutty, rich, kind of fancy. But is it a glow-up or a disaster? Stick around to find out. Do you want 20 free lasagna recipes? Click the link and comment to get these recipes for free. Now here comes the part where most people either win the game or completely fumble the lasagna bag. Let's layer like pros. First, start with a thin layer of bechamel at the bottom. Not too much, just enough to prevent sticking and set the foundation. Lay your noodles down like roof tiles, slightly overlapping. No gaps, no jigsaw puzzles, just full coverage. Next up, our creamy, dreamy ricotta filling, and yes, it's hiding that nutty Gruyère magic. Spread it smooth all the way to the edges. We want flavor in every bite. Then comes a generous ladle of red sauce, rich, savory, with a bit of kick. And of course, a handful of mozzarella and a sprinkle of sharp parmesan. Don't be shy. Repeat that whole sequence. Noodles, ricotta mix, sauce, cheese. Do at least 3 layers. But hey, we're not judging if you go 5. Now here's what most people miss: a final sheet of noodles topped with bechamel and a Gruyère mozzarella blend. This gives you that crispy golden top with a creamy finish underneath. Trust me, it's the move. Okay, pause the layering for just a sec, because even the cheesiest intentions can lead to lasagna heartbreak. Let's talk about the top 3 mistakes that'll mess up your masterpiece, and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, going wild with the sauce. I get it, it's tasty, it's dramatic, but if you overdo it, you'll end up with lasagna soup. Not cute. Do you want 20 free lasagna recipes? Click the link and comment to get these recipes for free. The fix? Go Goldilocks with it. Not too much, not too little, just thin, even layers. Think glaze, not drown. Mistake number 2. You just pulled it out of the oven, it's bubbling, it smells amazing, and you grab a knife. No! Cutting too early makes everything slide apart like cheesy Jenga. The fix? Let it rest for 20 minutes. I know it's hard, but your patience will be rewarded with clean slices and layered glory. Mistake number 3. Thinking Gruyere is too fancy or funky for lasagna. But guess what? It melts better than mozzarella, and its nutty flavor adds serious depth. The fix? Trust the Gruyere. Blend it into your ricotta mix or sprinkle it on top. You're not going rogue. You're upgrading. Want the full breakdown of what works, what doesn't, and exactly how to layer like a legend? Hit the link below to grab my 20 free lasagna recipe ebook. It's dripping with flavor and tips.